Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the molecular geometry of ethene. It has a chemical formula of C2H4, and to understand its molecular geometry, we are first going to look at its Lewis structure. This is the Lewis structure of ethene, where two carbon atoms are forming single bonds with two hydrogen atoms, and they are mutually bonded with each other by double bond. So here we have two geometric centers. If we look at the structure in 3D, we can see that the structure is triagonal planar at each geometric center. Let us use AXN notation method to see if we are on the right track. So here A stands for the central atom, X are the number of atoms that are forming bonds with central atom, and N is the number of lone pairs of electron present on the central atom. For both the geometric centers, we have carbon as the central atom. It is connected with three other atoms and has no lone pairs. That gives us a general formula of AX3. If we refer to this table, we can see that the molecules that have AX3 formula have triagonal planar shape with bond angle as 120 degrees and hybridization as sp2. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.